How to make your Windows 11 faster. So if you want to make your Windows faster, follow these steps. Tap on the start icon first and foremost and head to settings. From here, go ahead and select the option of storage here and make sure that the storage sense is toggled on. It is basically off in every case, so tap on it to toggle it on. So once you toggle it on, the next step in this is to go ahead and tap on privacy and safety. So go ahead and do that. Now tap on diagnostic and feedback and make sure that the send optional diagnostic data right here is turned off. So once you do that, here again, go ahead and tap on the gaming here and go to your game mode and make sure that it is toggled on even though if you're not a gamer. And the next step is to go into your accessibility, and right here you'll be tapping on visual effects and make sure that all of this is toggled on because it is one of the reason why the processor or the drivers are used in access. Then in the search bar, go ahead and search for your power here, and from all of this list that pops up, tap on respect device power mode and make sure that the indexing is off. Then again, go ahead and open your run, and right here you have to go ahead and search for services.msc. So once something like this is popped up, tap on Aljoy router service and right click on it and go to your properties here and make sure that you have set it to disabled and then tap on apply and OK. Then you have to go ahead and right click on connected user experience and also make sure to disable it once again. Then choose apply and OK. Again, press for the R alphabet here and we are searching for remote desktop service. So right click on it once again, go to properties and set it to disable and then tap on apply and tap on OK. Now once you do that, you can head back from here and you can just cross it and tap on the start icon. Here we will be searching for task manager. So in here we'll be disabling any startup application that self-starts itself once the PC is turned on, but make sure you do not disable any graphics or processor of your PC. Now once you have disabled the unnecessary application, let's go ahead and move on to the next step, that is again initiating run. Now in here we'll be searching for clean mgr and then tap on OK. So you can select any of the files or the programs that is unnecessary and you can just tap on the box right here and then tap on OK, and this is basically cleaning the cache of your PC. So again, go ahead and search for run and this time we'll be typing in for appwiz.cpl. So go ahead and type it. Now right here a list of application or programs will be displayed, so go ahead and uninstall any unnecessary application or program that you no longer use. Now the final step is to search for any updates, so go ahead and search for window update in your setting, and if there is any update, make sure you update your Windows and then restart your PC. That is very crucial, and once you do that you will find that your Windows is much more faster now. Hopefully this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.